Has anyone got already an answer to this? What makes you different? What do you want to be known for? Or even a really good question is, what do people normally say about you? If I asked some of your clients about you, what would they say? So I'll give you an example for us for Basic Bananas. What we are known for, what I would add in here is we're known for making marketing simple and fun. We're also known for playfulness. What are you known for? And what do you want to be known for? Jonathan, accessible tools for creating psychologically safe workplace. Yeah, let's put that. So accessible tools. It sounds like accessible and practical. I feel like that's a bit of a thing that I'm hearing from you in the last 5 minutes. There's a lot of fluff out there and a lot of like frameworks and things. I'm like, I don't even know how to use this. Whereas your stuff is a bit more practical. And care about outcomes for clients, care about individuals, interactive and practical hands-on learning. Yeah. So in the differentiation, I'd like more things that are maybe not so obvious. Like the interactive and practical hands-on learning. I think that's a good one. And then I would also ask the question, for what purpose? For what purpose? What does that mean? If my stuff is practical, interactive, what does that mean? It means that people maybe retain information more. It means that they have more fun. Known for creative, inclusive, practical, and fun.